In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a flicker text animation in Canva, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This effect is perfect for social media posts, YouTube intros, reels, shorts, or any eye-catching graphic where you want your text to stand out with a cool animated look. The best part is that this can be done directly inside Canva without any complicated tools or extra software. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy Canva tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to the Canva homepage. Once you're logged in, go to an untitled design. You can choose a custom size, a presentation, a social media post, or even a video canvas depending on what you're creating. For flicker text animations, a video or social media design usually works best, but you can apply this effect to almost any design type. Once your blank canvas opens, you're ready to start adding your text. Next, add or select the text you want to animate. If you already have text on your canvas, simply click on it to make sure it's selected. If not, go to the text panel on the left, choose a heading or body text, and type in your desired words. This could be a title, a call to action, or any phrase you want to give a flickering animation effect. Make sure the text is clearly visible, and feel free to adjust the font, size, color, and spacing before applying the animation. Once your text is selected, look at the top toolbar and click on the Animate button. This will open Canva's animation panel, where you'll see a variety of animation options for text and elements. These include basic animations, movement effects, and more advanced styles depending on your Canva plan. Don't select anything yet. We're going to scroll down to find a specific section. Now, scroll down within the Animate panel until you reach the Add-on Effects menu. This section contains additional animation effects that can give your text a more dynamic and creative look. Take your time here, because this is where the flicker animation lives, and it's easy to miss if you don't scroll far enough. When you see the flicker animation option, click on it. As soon as you do, you'll notice your text starts flickering automatically. That's it. You've successfully added the flicker text animation in Canva. You can preview how it looks by pressing play or scrubbing through your design timeline. If needed, you can still adjust the text styling or duplicate the text to layer effects for an even stronger visual impact. Once you're happy with how your flicker text animation looks, you can export your design as a video or GIF, depending on where you plan to use it. This effect works great for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube intros, and promotional graphics. And that's how you create a flicker text animation in Canva, in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves using Canva. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.